When the chair just not get to speak, all the members are requested to sit down. When the chair is on his feet, nobody else is there.
We condemn this. No. We don't want to accept this. We will not accept this. We are not informed. The Cabinet is not legislative instinct. We cannot allow the government of India to impose on us the language. So we will not allow this. Down. We condemn the governor. We condemn the governor for addressing us in a language we don't understand.
Not the behavior. Mr. Speaker said this is not the behavior expected of the elected members. The Honourable Speaker is the Honourable Governor is the Honourable is in the House. This is not the kind of this is not the kind of behavior expected of elected members.
The people of the state will not accept it to be imposed. Language should be imposed on us.
Sir, the rules are
I
very
don't
clear.
understand what you are talking about.
The rules are very clear that if the written speech has been put in the House, the honourable members.
No. This is a design of the government of India to start the alternative states.
If an individual is not able to read English, then we cannot impose it on the individual. The written speech has been submitted. This is not the way. Speaking only because he is able to read Hindi. He is not able to read.
You speak in Hindi in this house.
Since the translated version is circulated to all the members, and our honourable governor has certain limitations. So I will allow honourable governor the translated version, English version is circulated to all the members. I request members to kindly bear the House and also show decorum, not to shout while the honourable governor is making his governor's statement. So I request once again.
Let them stay in the seats.